AI music platforms compared, Suno, Udio, Soundraw, and more. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI-powered music generation. Whether you're a content creator, musician, or just curious, this video will break down the most popular platforms that let you make music with artificial intelligence. We'll compare tools like Suno, Udio, Soundraw, Beatoven, and more, focusing on what they do, how easy they are to use, and who they're best for. So let's get started. Suno. Suno lets you create entire songs with lyrics, vocals, and instruments, all from a simple text prompt. It's fast, fun, and impressively powerful. The user interface is clean and beginner-friendly. Downsides: you can't edit much after generation, and there's currently no commercial license. Best for quick song ideas, fun content, music experiments. Not ideal for commercial use or advanced editing. Udio. Udio is the closest alternative to Suno. It also generates full songs, including vocals, based on your text input. The voice quality is impressive, and you get up to 600 free generations per month. Udio supports genres, themes, and even lets you remix parts of a track. Best for realistic vocal songs, music demos, creators. Still in beta, occasional glitches. Boomy. Boomy helps you make songs in a few clicks, and even publish them to Spotify or Apple Music. It's beginner-friendly and lets you share instantly. But don't expect Suno-level vocal quality. Boomy is more limited and the music feels more loop-based. Best for quick music publishing, beginners. Limited creativity, less realistic vocals. Soundraw. Soundraw creates royalty-free music for videos, podcasts, and ads. You choose a genre, mood, instruments, and the AI generates fully editable tracks. There are no vocals. This is instrumental only, but it's great for background music. Best for content creators, marketers, editors. No singing or lyrics support. Beatoven.ai. Beatoven focuses on mood-based, customizable music generation. You can fine-tune instruments, duration, emotion, and more. It also gives you a perpetual license, so it's great for YouTube or client work. Best for YouTubers, agencies, long-term projects. No vocals, some genres feel generic. AIVA is designed for classical and cinematic compositions. It's more complex but allows advanced control over harmonies, tempo, instruments, and can even export sheet music. Best for composers, filmmakers, game developers. Steeper learning curve, no vocals. Mubert. Mubert offers AI-generated loops and soundscapes with a large library of royalty-free audio. It's used a lot in mobile apps, fitness content, and live streams. There's even an API for developers. Best for apps, ambient content, tech integrations. No vocal generation or custom lyrics. Riffusion. A more experimental platform that uses visual spectrograms to generate music. It's a fun tool to explore, but not quite ready for serious projects. Best for creative exploration, demos. Quality is low, not commercial ready. So what's the best AI music tool? Want full songs with vocals? Try Suno or Udio. Need royalty-free instrumentals? Go with Soundraw or Beatoven. Want cinematic or classical music? AIVA is your pick. Publishing to Spotify quickly? Try Boomy. AI music is evolving fast, and the best tool depends on your goal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which platform do you want to try? Thanks for watching.